Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin what's coming to you second half ng 2025, July to December. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. For Cancer, second half ng 2025. Okay, North Node. Uy, this is about your future, yung mga plans ninyo, or yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve, marating sa buhay. So, if it's in alignment of your mga plano. Kasi minsan may mga plans tayo na hindi pala aligned sa ating future. So, maaring yan yung isa sa didiscover ninyo ngayong second half ng 2025. Wow, you have the sun. The sun is the source. This is your vitality, your energy, your strength. So, in second half ng 2025, you will be strong enough, no? Magiging matatag ka, malakas ka para tuparin yung iyong pangarap, yung destiny mo. So, I think some of you, Cancer, malalaman nyo talaga kung saan kayo ngayon dinadala. Like, ano ang purpose ninyo? What is your life's purpose? So, actually, yung life's purpose, hindi naman siya absolute na, o ito lang yung life's purpose mo. It's a season. Seasonal siya. So, may mga chapters ng buhay natin na, for this particular season or chapter, ito yung iyong life's purpose. So, after mong ma-fulfill nun, may bago na naman. Okay? So, yeah. Clarify, solar cam. So, magiging malinaw sa'yo kung ano ang gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Lalo na kung ikaw ay naguguluhan, nalilito, kung ano ba talaga. Saan ba talaga papunta. I-align ka na ni universe kung saan ka mas mapapabuti or ano talaga yung purpose mo, yung destiny mo. You will discover that, no? Ngayong second half ng 2025, it's a process of self-discovery. Okay, let's see what else. You have the moon. The moon is, this is your energy. This is also your instinct, your intuition. So, mas magiging very strong yung inyong instinct, no? When it comes to making decision, mas magiging sensitive kayo sa paligid ninyo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, mas madidiscover nyo yung inyong mga talents, yung mga God-given gifts ninyo. This is also about shadow work. So, maaring meron ka ring aayusin, babaguhin sa sarili mo, i-improve sa sarili mo. You have the 8 of Wands. So, merong good news na parating second half ng 2025. This can be related sa travel or sa work mo. Lalo na kung may hinihintay ka na opportunity na makapag-abroad or makapag-bakasyon, to travel, no? You also have the 7 of Wands, which is protection. So, I feel like you are going to protect your energies. Hindi mo hayaan na madrain lang basta-basta yung energy mo. You will set boundaries, no? Kung dati, lahat okay lang, tinatanggap mo. Ngayon, ikaw ay mas magiging careful, mas magiging maingat ka sa mga taong pakikisalamuhaan mo, mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. So, you are going to be more, ang tawag nito, mas maingat, ganon. Careful, ganyan. You also have the Ace of Wands, which is a new beginning. So, may new beginning na nag-emerge dito. So, this can be a new chapter of your life, a new opportunity. Yung iba, related to sa career path ninyo. So, kung meron kayong gustong subukan na bagong trabaho, business, or career, yan. So, yan yung i-explore ninyo ngayong second half ng 2025. You also have the 2 of Wands, which is about planning, partnership. So, yung iba sa inyo, hindi lang kayo mag-isa, no, na gagawin 'to. Maaring meron kayong katuwang sa buhay. This can be your romantic partner, family member, or a close friend, or a business partner para ipagpatuloy yung inyong, mga nasimulan or yung mga pangarap ninyo. Ayan, someone is going to help you, share niya yung knowledge mo, yung knowledge niya, yung skills niya sa'yo. And also this will lead to a decision making, no? So maaring may mga opportunities sa paligid mo at pipili ka doon kung ano yung pinaka-best para sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? So, let's see naman for your money, career, finances. Second half ng 2025. What's the energy for Cancer? The Hanged Man. So, this is about reflection, self-reflection, waiting. Ayan. So, maaring may mga kailangan kang hintayin, no? Pagdating ng second half ng 2025, pagdating sa opportunity sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo, or even sa finances mo. Pero, it doesn't mean na walang darating. Ibig lang sabihin yan, kailangan mong maging patient na hintayin yung talagang para sa'yo. Oh, you have the Three of Cups. Kasi eventually, you will celebrate. You will celebrate your success. You will celebrate yung mga achievements mo. And this is also about expansion, no? Maaring may mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo sa trabaho, sa career mo, or sa finances mo na masasabi mo na, ay, worth it pala. Worth it naman pala talaga yung paghihintay mo sa iyong career or business, trabaho. Kasi may abundance eh, oh. Let's see yung love life. What is the energy ng love life ng mga Cancer? You have the Seven of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Okay. For you, Cancer, whether this is relationship or career, ang importante yung patience ninyo. Okay? You are patient. Patiently waiting for the opportunities. So, sa relationship, maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong hinihintay na pagbabago na mangyayari sa relationship nyo. If you are connecting with someone, don't worry kasi makikita nyo yung resulta na yan. And magiging successful din yung mga gusto mo for your relationship or yung mga wishes mo na matupad para sa relationship ninyo. I also see here na kung kayo ay nagpaplano or nagbabalak na magpakasal, mag-asawa, mag-settle down. So, ito yung mangyayari within this time frame, no? So, second half ng 2025. So, from July to December. Yung iba naman, if you are single, maaring yung ibang naghihintay dyan, oo, merong darating. Merong darating for you. Kasi you will be, ang nakikita kong isa sa transformation mong gagawin is yung iyong outlook sa buhay, not just physical but also internal, no? Yung iyong spiritual, emotional, ganyan na aspect sa buhay mo, mas i-improve mo rin yon. And you will glow. So, pag glow mo na yan, mas marami kang maa-attract. And syempre, pag may na-attract, ayun, may potential partner. Ayan, ang daming lumabas. So, unahin natin yung mga nakalabas. So, you have protection from a powerful friend. O, maaari meron kang kaibigan na very protective sa'yo. Or, ito yung best friend mo na laging nandyan for you. Oh my God. Cancer, you will be shown the way. Ipapakita sa'yo yung path na dapat mong tahakin. Because we were talking about your future here, 'di ba? Yung iyong destiny. Oh my God, ang ganda. Guaranteed success. See? Success. Lalo na sa relationship. Okay? So, merong success for your relationship. Especially if single ka, maaring darating na yung minamanifest mo. An arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. So, maari ring mag-ingat sa ganitong tao na makakasalamuha mo ngayong second half ng 2025. Maaring ma-involve ka sa sa isang away or, drama, kaguluhan. So, make sure na iwasan mo na lang na ma-involve sa mga ganyan, yung mga arroganteng tao. Hindi naman sila worth it ng energy mo, no? They are not worth your energy. Think first before you judge. Okay. So this is about yung discernment mo sa isang situation. Hindi porket sabi nga nila eh, hindi lahat ng kumikinang ginto at hindi porket kung ano yung nakikita mo sa panlabas, yun din yung nasa loob, 'di ba? So, do your due diligence. And before judging others, lagi mong isipin muna na what if ikaw yung nasa sitwasyon na yon. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.